How to change YouTube to black. How to use dark theme on YouTube. I'm going to show you two ways to change YouTube to black. First way is if we are not logged into our account. The second way is how to do it when we are logged into our account. So let's start. First of all, if we are not logged in, we need to move our mouse to those three dots next to the sign in button and click on them. After we do this, the first option says dark theme. We click over here and then we click over here in the right bottom corner to turn it on. As you can see, YouTube is already black in the background. Next, I'm going to show you how to do this once we are already logged into our account. Once we are already logged into our account, as you can see, there are no three dots over here. So we need to click on our avatar picture. And once we do this, over here we need to find dark theme. It has the same icon. So we click over here and then we turn it on in the right bottom corner as we did before. So that's how you change YouTube to black. And that's it for today. Remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.